Welcome back, students, in my fifth lecture on interpolation and extrapolation. In the previous lecture, we have solved the examples on interpolation and extrapolation by Newton's advancing difference method. Today, we will solve some more examples on Newton's advancing difference method. Today's first question is using Newton's forward difference method, interpolate the value of y when x equal to 25. Here x and y values are given. Then in the solution we have to prepare the table. X values we have denoted by x0, x1, x2, x3 and x4. Similarly, y values are denoted by y0, y1, y2, y3 and y4. Then we have to find the leading differences, that is delta raised to 1, delta square, delta raised to 3 and delta raised to 4 we have to find. Now we will see how to find delta raised to 1. It is nothing but 18 minus 17, you will get 1. Similarly, 22 minus 18 is equal to 4. Then 28 minus 22 is equal to 6. And the last is 35 minus 28 is equal to 7. Similarly, we will find delta raised to 2. That is 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Then 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Similarly, delta raised to 3, that is 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. Then 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Then at the end, delta raised to 4. This is minus 1 minus minus 1. So minus 1 minus minus 1 is minus 1 plus 1, and minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Then in the leading differences, every first value we are going to consider for the further solution. That is, in delta raised to 1, first value is 1 and it is denoted by delta 0 raised to 1. Similarly, under the column delta square, first value is 3, it is denoted by delta 0 square. Under delta raised to 3, first value is minus 1 and it is denoted by delta 0 raised to 3. And under delta raised to 4, the first value is 0 and it is denoted by delta 0 raised to 4. So these values we need for further solution. Also we require first value of y and it is denoted by y0. So these values we are using for further solution. Then we have to estimate the value of y for x equal to 25. So that is the value of x. Then first x value, that is in the table, first x value is 15. So it is x0 is equal to 15. The difference between two successive values of x is 4. So h is equal to 4. Y0, as we have seen in the previous slide, that is y0 equal to 17. And these all, that is delta 0 raised to 1 is equal to 1. Delta 0 square is equal to 3. delta 0 raised to 3 is equal to minus 1 and delta 0 raised to 4 is equal to 0, we have estimated under the leading difference table. Then we need to find x, where x is x minus x0 upon h. Here x is 25 minus x0 is 15 divided by h is 4. If we simplify this, we will get x equal to 2.5. Then we have the formula by Newton's method, that is yx is equal to y0 plus x into delta 0 raised to 1 plus x into x minus 1 upon 2 factorial into delta 0 square plus x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 upon 3 factorial into delta 0 raised to 3 plus x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 divided by 4 factorial into delta 0 raised to 4 plus so on. Now here we required x into x minus 1, x into x minus 1, x minus 2 and x into x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. These values we will find here. So x into x minus 1, it is nothing but x is 2.5. So 2.5 into 2.5 minus 1. Simplify further, you will get 3.75. Similarly, x into x minus 1 into x minus 2, which is equal to 2.5 into 2.5 minus 1 into 2.5 minus 2. If you simplify this, you will get 1.875. Similarly, x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3, which is equal to 2.5, that is value of x, into 2.5 minus 1 into 2.5 minus 2 into 2.5 minus 3. If you simplify this, you will get minus 0.9375. Then all these values put in this yx formula, you will get y25, means we have to estimate the value of y at x equal to 25. So y25 is equal to y0 and y0 is 17. So 17 plus x into delta 0 raised to 1. X is 2.5 into delta 0 raised to 1 is 1. So 2.5 into 1 plus x into x minus 1 is 3.75 upon 2 factorial. 2 factorial is 2 into 1. So 3.75 upon 2 into delta 0 square is 3. So into 3 plus x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 upon 3 factorial. So x into x minus 1, x minus 2 is 1.875 divided by 3 factorial. So 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. So 3 into 2 into 1 is 6. It is 1.875 upon 6 into delta 0 raised to 3, and delta 0 raised to 3 is minus 1 plus this x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 is minus 0.9375 upon 4 factorial. So 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is 24. So this term is nothing but minus 0.9375 upon 24 into delta 0 raised to 4 is 0. So into 0. If you simplify further, then you will get y25 is equal to 17 plus 2.5 plus 5.625 minus 0.3125 minus 0. If you simplify this further, then you will get y25 is equal to 24.8125. That is, the value of y when x equal to 25 is 24.8125. So this is the solution for the first question. Now let us come to the second question, that is, the following is the data regarding annual net life insurance premium Using Newton's method, estimate the premium at the age of 26 years. And the data is given age in terms of years and annual net premium in terms of rupees. So when age is 20 years, the premium is 1426. For the age 25 years, the premium is 1581. For the age 30 years, the premium is 1771. And for the age 35 years, the premium is 1996. This is the question. So in the solution, first we will prepare this table. Age we will denote by x, and further x values are denoted by x0, x1, x2 and x3. Similarly, premium is denoted by y, and further y values are denoted by y0, y1, y2 and y3. Then we have to find leading differences. So leading differences, first leading difference is delta raised to 1, and this delta raised to 1 is estimated like this. This is 1581 minus 1426, and this difference you will get 155. Similarly, 1771 minus 1581, you will get 190. Similarly, 1996 minus 1771, this difference you will get 225. Then we will find delta square, second leading difference. This is 190 minus 155, you will get 35. And this 225 minus this 190, you will get 35. Then we have to find the third leading difference. This is nothing but this 35 minus this 35, you will get 0. And as I told in the previous slides, first value in every leading difference, every column we have to use for further calculation. So under the delta raised to 1, first value is 155 and it is denoted by delta 0 raised to 1. Under second leading difference, under the delta square, the first value is 35 and it is denoted by delta 0 square. And under delta raised to 3, first value is 0, so it is denoted by delta 0 raised to 3. So all these three values, and first y0 value is 1426 and it is denoted by y0, we are using for further calculation. Now here we have to estimate the premium for the age 26 years. So that is the value of x which is given in the question. Now first value, that is age, is given and it is nothing but 20. So first value under the column x is 20 and it is denoted by x0. We have seen in the previous table. So x0 equal to 20. Now the difference between successive values of x, difference between two successive ages are 5 and it is nothing but h. Now first premium in the column y, it is 1426. So it is y0 equal to 1426. And these leading differences values are available in the previous table, that is delta 0 raised to 1 is equal to 155, delta 0 square is 35 and delta 0 raised to 3 is 0. Then we have to find the value of x, and we have the formula x equal to x minus x0 upon h. Here x is equal to 26 minus x0 is equal to 20 divided by h is equal to 5. If you simplify further, then you will get x is equal to 1.25. Then we have the formula, that is yx is equal to y0 plus x into delta 0 raised to 1 plus x into x minus 1 upon 2 factorial into delta 0 square plus x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 upon 3 factorial into delta 0 raised to 3 and so on. Now we required x into x minus 1 and x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. So we will find that. So x into x minus 1 is nothing but 1.2 into 1.2 minus 1. If you simplify this, you will get 0.24. Similarly, x into x minus 1 into x minus 2, you will get 1.2 into 1.2 minus 1 into 1.2 minus 2, because yes, x is equal to 1.2. If you simplify this further, then you will get minus 0.192. Now all these values we will put in the formula yx. So yx, x is 26. So y26 is equal to y0. So y0 is 1426 into x into delta 0 raised to 1. X into delta 0 raised to 1. So that is 1.2 into delta 0 raised to 1 is 155. So 1.2 into 155 plus x into x minus 1 upon 2 factorial. So x into x minus 1 is 0.24 upon 2 factorial is 2 into 1. So 2 into 1 is 2 into delta 0 square, and delta 0 square is 35. So into 35 plus x into x minus 1 into x minus 2, this is minus 0.192 upon 3 factorial. So 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6 into delta 0 raised to 3, and delta 0 raised to 3 is 0. So into 0. So this term we are not going to consider because we have only up to third leading difference. Now if we simplify this further, then you will get y26 is equal to 1426 plus 186 plus 4.2 minus 1. If you simplify this further, then you will get y26 is equal to rupees 1616.2. That is, the premium at the age of 26 years is rupees 1616.2. So these are the examples on interpolation and extrapolation by Newton's advancing difference method. From this unit, as if today, you will get 2 questions. In section B, 1 question for 2 marks, and in section C, 1 question for 5 marks. So total you will get 7 marks from this interpolation and extrapolation. If the syllabus is reduced due to this COVID pandemic situation, then you may get some more questions on every unit, especially on interpolation and extrapolation also. So next class we will discuss some other topic. Thank you.